Buddy, it's Lyn from Lyncraft Designs. I've got a Bebeecraft haul. So excited. This is my packing list. So awesome. Alright. We shall get to everything underneath. Thank you to Bebeecraft. Last Timu package in this haul. I've got 2 more coming, I think, but I'm not expecting those anytime soon. I know y'all don't care about seeing them opened, but it's easier for me. I'm going to take this off the table. My husband said when he brought it in, sounds broken. Sounded broken because these are the little 4mm Electroplate, the little Rondelles. Okay, the other ones I got were the Bicones. I believe they were 6s maybe. These are 4s though. Let's see. 10 strands, and that's all it says. Okay. Yes, I got some stamps. Some upcoming projects. Let's see what this says. 1 set. Imagine that. Okay. This one's got a nice variety. A tree, bench, tree swing, bicycle. Okay, some nice garden theme. Secret garden. Alright. These are all a vintage theme, I believe. So this is a postcard banner, a border, wine bottle, air balloon, hot air balloon, some postage stamping, little swirls, I like those. Violin, I like that. Sherlock Holmes' pipe. Car, typewriter, a vintage style typewriter, pocket watch for your birthday. Little birds, some cogs, gears. I like those. Okay, another pocket watch style, another postage stamp. Ooh, I like that. The globe stand with a little compass mark, and the globe is separate. So you could stamp one of these and then put the longitude and latitude lines on. That is cute. Cute. I like it. Little sailboat thumbtack. That is cute. like that. Another clock. Ooh, a lacy border. Some flowers. I love the double lacy border. That is awesome. A very ornate padlock. I'm sorry, I should have a background to show these. This is a quotation about spring, the season after winter and before summer. Like that. A bumblebee, there's the key for the padlock. Some butterflies. I like this. Ooh, the champagne bottles. This is a wedding themed one. Love the champagne bottles. Another postage stamp image. An engagement ring in a box. I love that. Bow. This is a flourish. It says I love you. Some doves. A scroll. Congratulations. Happiness starts here. Some bells. It's printed off the stamp, but it's got some double hearts, and it says, with love, with love, with love. A rose and a wedding cake. I love that. Okay, you know, this is probably what made me buy it. I love the fairies. This reminds me a lot of a Recollections stamp set that I have. Although it's completely different. Love that flourish. The mushrooms. Oh, a little Pegasus. Cute. I love the tiny little fairies. Oh, I love that. Love that, love that. Love that. Okay, a bird cage and a bird, which is separate. You can stamp those separate. Tea time. It's tea time. Another little postage stamp. Stamping. Bird and some flowers. A butterfly. Oh, it's got a crossed fork and spoon that says tea time. Another postage. Butterflies. Oh, this bird would actually be better in the cage. It's sized more proportionately, I think. Cute. I did not mean to take so much time showing those, but I love those. Hey, sorry about that. I did not realize until I saw this packing list. This is actually the stuff from Bebeecraft. Okay, so the Rondelles, the stamps. Okay, these are shrink-dink sheets, and I ordered them because they're clear. Oh, you don't know how hard these are to find. But now that I look at them, I don't think they're shrinky-dinks. They're just acetate. Although I could be wrong. Let's look at the packing list. Oh, all it says is 15 sheets. Doesn't say anything else. I'll have to look back on my order because I was pretty sure these were listed as Shrinky Dinks. As shrink plastic. And it just says 15 sheets. Alright, so I'll have to look back on this. If they're shrink plastic, I'm super excited. Like I am about these. First of all, they weigh a ton. These are hematite beads. And that's one of the ways you can tell. Because they weigh a lot. Much more than just glass beads. Much more than regular stone beads. Oh. The bags. Okay, I can't pull out just one, obviously. Oh, so gorgeous. Now, these on my bracelet, these are actually imitation hematite. But just like the hematite, they have held their color well. Y'all know I've restrung these twice already, and I wear them every day. I take them off before I go to bed, but I wear them pretty much every day. These are gorgeous. One of my, I won't say favorite memories, but of childhood, before my parents divorced, and I guess that's why I remember it so well. My dad bought my mother a strand of hematite beads, and I don't think she appreciated them quite as much as he expected her to. Oh, those just make my mouth water. I love them. Those were actually the first thing that I put in my cart. Okay, these are again with the Bicone. Just as one box. I can't tell. I don't want to hurt my fingernail again. It is done so well. It still broke off up there in the quick, but it hasn't caught on anything yet, so got a little bit of a blood blister right there. But I'm really proud of the way it turned out. It could have been bad. Could have lost my nail there. They're glass beads. Love them. Now again, they're smaller. These are about a 4. But I needed smaller. I've got a lot of 10s and 8s, but I needed some smaller beads. This to go along with the stamps. I can't open them. Oh, I was looking at the individual, not where the bag opens. Alright, what is this stuff? One set. That cracks me up. These are embossing folders. And I'm not going to open them. We'll just look at them the way they are. That is so pretty. Don't know why this one's in pink, but some little flowers and vines. A nice geometric pattern. This is cool. Some more flowers and vines. These are nice swirls, though. That I like that. Talk about swirls. I like those. Ooh, nice flourishes. Nice. This will be pretty embossed. Sorry, Sakura tree, as I was so rudely interrupted. Camera. A larger, like damask pattern. And this almost reminds me of willow branches, but I don't remember what those are called. Anyway, vines and berries. Okay. It's funny how you get so scatterbrained after you, like the camera quitting interrupting you. These are crackle glass. Because these are the larger, it's a 6-color range. The smaller ones is a 9-color range, I believe. Anyway, these are beautiful. So gorgeous, every color. It's kind of a mermaid combination color. Oh, I even like these, blue and the pink. They're beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And there's the hematite ones. Alright, that is it. Thank you so much to Bebeecraft. I'm super excited and can't wait to do lots of fun projects with these. Alright, once again, there's what the Shrinky Dinks look like. The shrink art plastic. That's what it looks like. And once again, I'm super excited about that. It's so nice and thin, but pretty rigid, pretty hard plasticky. Alright, drill a hole in that, and I'll use that on one of those witchy apothecary bottles. Alright, once again I want to thank y'all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll leave the Bebeecraft information below the video in the description box. Alright, please like, share, and subscribe. Like everybody's video you watch, including this one. Subscribe, it's free. Bye for now.